Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Calvin Oftana, and winning head coach, Chot Reyes. Coach, during the game, TNT was leading, but during the fourth quarter, Meralco climbed back and nagtie pa nga yung game. What happened during the fourth quarter, and how was the team able to remain composed to get that win?
Not only did they tie, they led. They grabbed the lead from us, right? First of all, we expected it. We had no illusions that it was going to be an easy game. Even when we were up by 20, we knew that Meralco had the capability to come back. And we were besieged by our foul trouble. And that's why when they made that run, Ronde and Poy Eram were on the bench. But the key to their run was our turnovers. So in the third quarter, we committed like 5 or 6 turnovers that allowed them to get their offense on track. That was the problem. So in the end, we were able to settle down and not panic even when they grabbed the lead. We just stayed within ourselves, and in the end, the players make big plays. I guess that's the story of the game.
Thanks, Coach. Calvin, first game back after a long break. Gaano kalaking tulong yung long break sa inyo? And how was the team able to not lose their rhythm?
Hindi naman lahat nag-break talaga nung long break eh. May before Christmas nag-training naman yung ibang kan. So I think yung iba ready lang palagi. Yung mga heavy minutes binigyan ng leeway ni coach. And those break naman, we don't take it as a break lang eh. Nagpapakondisyon din kami. Siyempre may liga pa. Ang trabaho namin yun. And we're happy na nanalo kami ngayon. Kasi our first game, yun nga, sobrang on cloud pa yung isip namin. At least now, tapos na yung December. December kasi yun eh. So, nag-iisip na ng bakasyon yung mga yung sa Pasko eh. So, ngayon, nasa on track na kami. Nasa focus na ng team. And we're happy we got this win.